I was at Coachella a month or two, I guess almost 2 months ago. And we went to this party and we got back into the car, and actually like security that has been with me forever would be like, Billy, you have like friends. We're like, Billy, there's like other people with us right now.
That are your age.
And Phineas was like, Billy, look how deep you're rolling. And I was like, I know. And we get in the car, and I got in the car with all of my friends that I feel like this like real. I have something to say after this. Hold on. I got in the car after this party, and I was sitting there, and I was just like, and my friends were like, what's going on? Are you okay? And I was like, totally fine.